Beautiful 2015 Camaro. See, due to oil damage. Sounds actually pretty good. No engine light. No engine light. Just how many Ks on the clock? Hold on a second. 73,000 Ks on it. It's literally brand new. Still smell actually pretty good inside. Oil damage. So as you can see, yeah. Let me see right here if I'm able to adjust. Yeah, come on, adjust. Phone is not doing well today. My phone. Yeah. So oil damage. As you can see. Through insurance has been here, but my fantastic tools right there saved my ass again. As cylinder one misfire from the engine. So this is a no-go.